Hello and welcome to UT Rec Sports online programming. My name is Donna and I am an adventure trip guide with the outdoor program. Thank you for tuning in. Today I will be showing you how to make a healthy snack so that you can carry it along with you on your next adventure and keep yourself fueled. Alright, let's get started with energy balls, which is a whole food that is filled with protein, carbs, healthy fats, and fiber. It's a great idea to carry small healthy snacks like these to ensure that you are getting a consistent source of energy throughout the day and nourishing your body on a trip such as backpacking where you would be burning a lot of calories. There's lots of freedom to get creative and customize these to your liking. Alright, let's begin with 8 dates. I use medjool dates, which are very soft and sweet. Just make sure that you're pitting the dates. And also be mindful that some of them have caps on the end, so make sure to take those off. Dates are really awesome because they contain a lot of fiber, so it helps aid in digestive health. Next, we're gonna use some mixed nuts. So I have some almonds, walnuts, pecans inside of here. So I'm just gonna take 1 cup. And I really like nuts because they are very nutrient dense. So they tend to keep me full for a long time. Now I'm going to do 1 squeeze of honey. Honey is filled with carbohydrates and provides your body with energy. Next we got 1/4 cup of tahini. I really like tahini because it's a great source of calcium, which is essential for your bone health. And we're gonna do a couple tablespoons of this superfood chia seeds. Additionally, we'll do 2 tablespoons of hemp seeds. Fun fact about hemp seeds is that they contain all of the essential amino acids and fatty acids that your body needs to sustain itself. And also a pinch of sea salt, which helps bring out the sweetness. And the salt has electrolytes, which is important for muscle contraction and also hydration to ensure you're absorbing the liquid throughout the day. Additionally, I use a pea protein based smoothie powder. And this plant-based protein powder is easily digestible, so I really like it. And then 2 tablespoons of cacao powder. Cacao powder has natural antioxidants which help protect our cells from disease. And we'll finish off with a dash of cinnamon and a dash of vanilla. And now you can put the food processor cap on and start pulsing. Be sure to take the knife out. Then we can go ahead and shape these, store them for later. And there you have it. Thank you so much for joining us today and for being part of the Rec Sports online programming. Be sure to check back often to help you stay home and stay active. Be well and hook 'em.